Okay, so we made it to Kennywood at about 11:07, thinking that was gonna be late. We were wrong. Murph and Kelly are on the turnpike.
How the hell did they end up on the turnpike is what I want.
Yeah, that's what I want to know too, honestly. How do you get from the turnpike, or wherever they're going, to the turnpike? The turnpike really isn't near Kennywood, is it?
No.
And I don't know how they got lost or were running late. They live like, what, 10 minutes away?
They live pretty close to each other.
Yeah.
What is this?
What are they doing with their lives,
Complete
honestly?
fail.
I love how everybody's trying to get input, so I'll point the camera at them. Kappa Deltas are kind of attention whores. It's okay though.
Scream when we talk.
We scream when we talk.
We
talk when we
whisper.
I'm sorry, Mom, but nobody ate any muffins. I'm sorry.
I might soon if they don't come.
If they're not here soon, we'll take those muffins down, don't worry.
Exactly. We got this. Alright. Well, all for now.